Alright, since we have to wait in line for coffee anyways, let me tell you kind of what this trip is. Well, one, is for vacation, but two, what we're really shooting for. So I'm shooting today for tripping.com, and it's for their Florida rentals. So it's still a little cold here in California, so it's not year-round ocean and beach going vacations like it is in Florida. However, it is warm enough this week where we can do a little bit of camping. So we're gonna go out there, we'll shoot some beach ideas, and the whole concept is what are kind of your essentials to a beach day, a beach weekend, or just a beach trip. So I brought some of my key essentials, which I want to shoot for you guys. Some of them are, you guys are gonna laugh at me and think that they're pretty hilarious, but they fit in the theme of glamping. So that's what we're doing today, or this weekend. We're just gonna shoot for tripping.com and specifically Florida rentals. So if you're in the market, I'll put a link below looking for Florida rentals, which when I travel, I actually prefer staying at other people's houses, whether it be rentals or timeshares or stuff like that, just because you feel a little more home, it's a little more open and spacious, and you don't run into all the tourists at hotels. So yeah, whenever I travel, I like to look up housing rentals if I can. But this week it is glamping, so we're going to be staying in a pseudo tent, more of a canopy, and I'll give you guys a tour, so it's going to be kind of cool. But let's see how much this girl stares at me for talking to a camera while ordering coffee. So yeah, let's do that. Hey.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, what can I get for you?
Just a medium ice, non-fat Kokomo.
Okay, anything else?
That's it.
And are you doing... Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Your keyhole is on this side.
Yeah.
What the heck? It's...
So unfortunately, too early, can't check in yet. We got 2 hours to kill actually. So I'm just gonna show you guys around and we'll look at the hotel. As you can see, you got a nice little sitting area here. You got the coffee table, coffee stand, little space heater. Got to have that out on the coast. Gets super cold. You got the full size bed, and then you got little bunks for some additional people. But yeah, walking out of the campsite, this is what you got. So you got the fire pits. Cool little parking area, and then right behind us are the hills, and then to the left over there is the ocean. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that. Had a cool little fun trip, just a one-night weekender, but it was fun. So I'll finish editing the video, post it online. I want to try to snap in some GoPros with it, with all the driving scenes that I did, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. Until next time, next trip. See you guys. me right now in my full tie getup, doing a shoot out on the beach in Chinos, shirt and tie.